Next student, geometrical representation of two vectors. How to add two vectors geometrically. So here listen students, A bar is one vector, initial point, terminal point. This is the A bar. Here this is B bar, B vector, B vector. I want to add two vectors geometrically. I want to add two vectors geometrically. Yes sir. First to draw a vector as it is, same direction. Same direction, no problem. We move. So here, this place, whatever may be, no problem. So here like up and down, down. This one take here, whatever may be. So here this is the draw a vector. Then it moves. So here this is not. So kept initial of B kept at terminal of A. This is the rule. How to add two vector geometrical. What about this? B bar sir. Initial of B kept at terminal of E. Now, initial of A, terminal of B joining. It represents A bar plus B bar. Simple beta. Draw A vector. Draw A vector. B vector kept at terminal of A without changing its direction, like kept here. And initial of A and terminal of B joining, this is known as the geometrical addition of the vector. This is the method. So here, now we will discuss about the resolution of two vectors. Resolution of vector. How to resolve a vector? So here, let us consider y-axis. This is beta, x-axis. The vector A in xy plane. This is the A bar, A vector. This is the origin. A vector is in which plane? XY plane. Angle made by A vector with x-axis is theta, suppose. What is the x coefficient or x component of A vector? Y component of A vector. I want this. X component, Y component of. What is the meaning of x component of A vector? What is the magnitude of vector A in x direction? That is the x component of A vector. Y component of A vector, magnitude of A vector in y direction. That is okay, sir. Suppose here A bar is the combination of two vectors. One is x direction vector, y direction vector. Suppose here, listen carefully. Bit. So here to here is the ax bar vector. Then this is what? Ay bar. Here initial of ax bar, terminal of ax bar. Initial of ay bar, terminal of what? Terminal of ay bar. So that's why here it represents the addition of these two is what? This one. That means here a bar is equal to ax bar plus ay bar. Okay, sir? Okay. Right? That means here a bar equal to ax bar plus ay bar. Ax bar is the vector of a x direction. Ay bar vector of a y direction. That's why here, but we know ax bar is nothing but, we know the direction of ax bar along x direction. What is the unit vector along x direction? I cap. Any vector write first magnitude then direction. Magnitude along this side is Ax beta. Ax direction I cap. Then Ay bar is equal to Ay j cap. So Ay bar is equal to Ay magnitude. Which direction? Y direction. So that's why here Ay j cap. Okay, right here. Then we get answer beta. Therefore here A bar is equal to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap. So here this is the A bar. What is the Ax? What is Ay? It is nothing but x component of A bar is nothing but Ax. Y component of A bar Ay. What is the Ax and Ay in terms of A? We will discuss. So write it roughly. Students, here this is the Ax, no? It is right just magnitude wise only. This is the length is nothing but Ax. This is Ay, this is A. Okay, sir? Okay. So here this is Ay. Ax, here to your length Ax. This length is magnitude of A is nothing but A. What is this angle theta? I want Ax and Ay in terms of A. Okay, right from figure, cos theta equal to, tell me better. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side. Adjacent side length is Ax and hypotenuse is A. Therefore here beta, Ax equal to what? A cos theta. Ax equal to A cos theta. Similarly, sin theta equal to, sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, Ay by X, which is equal to Ay A sin theta. That's why here Ax, Ay. So I write it, we get A bar is equal to A cos theta I cap plus A cos theta I cap plus then A sin theta j cap. Suppose take this is equation 1, this is equation 2. I want a magnitude of A in terms of Ax and Ay. So here this is the one equation, this is the equation 2. Equation 1 square, Ax square equal to A square cos square theta, Ay square equal to A square sin square theta. So here squaring and adding equations 1 and 2, Ax square add with Ay square. Left side okay sir? Right side A square cos square theta. Let's tell me A square sin square theta. Therefore here A square cos square theta plus sin square theta beta. Answer is what is this? 1. That's why Ax square plus Ay square. Therefore here A square is equal to Ax square plus Ay square. A equal to what? Root over Ax square plus Ay square. This is the magnitude of A vector in terms of x component, y component. This is the magnitude of this A bar is equal to Ax square plus Ay square under root. I want a direction. What is the angle made by vector A with x-axis? Suppose here we know that equate here equation 2, 3, 1, equation 2, this is 1. Dividing equation 2 with 1, we get, sir, here Ay by Ax, sir. Left side dividing, right side also. A sin theta by A cos theta, dividing 2 by 1. That's why sin theta by cos theta tan theta. So here tan theta is equal to beta Ay by Ax. Ay by Ax. Theta equal to tan inverse of Ay by Ax. So here this is the angle made by resultant vector with x-axis. Here denominator x-axis now. So here this is the A bar equal to I cap plus j cap. What is the angle made by A bar with x-axis? How to solve, sir? Simple matter. We know that this is the quadrant. x-axis, y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. Okay, quadrant, okay, sir. Here, a bar is equal to I cap plus j cap. What is I cap? Unit vector along x-axis. J cap, unit vector along y-axis. Sir, here a bar equal to, actual formula, a bar equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap. Na? That's why is compared with a bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap. Okay, sir? Ax I cap plus ay j cap. This is the I cap plus j cap. What is the ax? If it is compared, what is the ax? Ax means here I cap is nothing but 1 I cap. 1. Y, ay is equal to j cap is nothing but here. What is the coefficient? What is the coefficient? What is the here component? Component is 1 here. This is the 1. So ax equal to 1, ay equal to 1. X component positive, y component positive. Both positive, which quadrant? This is the positive, sir. Negative, positive, sir. Negative, sir. Positive, negative. Here both positive, which quadrant? This is in first quadrant. This is the A bar equal to I cap plus J cap. Both positive. Okay. What is the angle with x-axis? With the negative x-axis or positive x-axis? Which is close to this one? Close to this one. Here x-axis. That's why here is the angle theta. We know that tan theta is equal to ay by ax. Theta is angle made by a vector with x-axis. Suppose you take magnitude. What is the use of that one? I will explain, no problem. Tan theta equal to a y by ax magnitude. Suppose here tan theta is equal to magnitude of this one is 1, this one 1, which is equal to 1. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Theta 45 degrees. Sir, theta 45 degrees, it is close to. So theta equal to 45 degrees. That's why here 45 degrees is close to. So here x-axis. That's why here this is the 45 degrees with x-axis. With x-axis. This is the already decided where it is in first quadrant. In first quadrant is a theta equal to 45 degrees by using. That's why here theta equal to 45 degrees with x-axis beta. With x-axis. Clockwise or anti-clockwise from x-axis? Anti-clockwise. In anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Pakka sir? No problem. Then in clockwise direction I want beta. Clockwise is that one. So angle made by a vector with x-axis. Clockwise. Clockwise is what? Same sir, but theta is equal to here complete rotation is 360. Here minus 45, 360 minus 45, 315 degrees with which axis? X-axis. In which direction? Clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Then next beta. Next one is so here with the positive x-axis over with the negative x-axis. Sir, here suppose this is theta is equal to angle made by a vector with negative x-axis. With negative x-axis clockwise. Negative x-axis clockwise is, it is nothing but 180 minus 45 beta. That is what? 135 degrees with the negative x-axis clockwise. So here anti-clockwise direction with negative x-axis is, this is 180 plus 45, 225 degrees. This is the thing. So here answer is 45 degrees with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, that is the correct. 315 degrees with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, that is also correct. 135 degrees with negative x-axis, clockwise, okay sir. Then anti-clockwise 225 degrees, anti-clockwise direction with the negative x-axis. Then take this as homework. Find resultant of OA bar, AB bar, BC bar. Then how to solve, sir? First write OA bar. What is the direction of OA bar? It is makes an angle 53 with the x-axis. We know the A vector. A vector x component A cos theta, y component is A sin theta. That's why here this is the x component, this side x component. What about this y component? X component is the adjacent. Adjacent is cos 10 cos 53 beta. Direction I cap. Right, sir? Plus y component. Y component is 10 sin 53. Direction j cap. Okay, sir? Then AB bar. AB bar. AB bar direction only parallel to x-axis 4 I cap. Then BC bar direction, it is parallel to y-axis. No more x component. That's why here 3j cap. So that's why here this is the general relation which is equal to beta. So 10 into cos 53. You should remember cos 53, sir. Cos 53 is, so this is the 53. So 4, 3, this is 5. Cos 53 is nothing but 3 by 5. So it is 3 by 5. So write here no problem. 10 into 3 by 5 I cap plus 10 into, sir, cos 53 3 by 5. This is sin 53 4 by 5 j cap. Right? 5 ones, 2 sir, 1s, 2s. Therefore we get answer 6i plus 8j meters in meter, all in meters. Okay. So then what is the resultant? Resultant, it is nothing but resultant R bar is equal to, it is nothing but OC bar, which is equal to addition of all these three vectors. Therefore, sir, OA bar is 6i plus 8j plus OB bar 4i plus 3j. Here final answer beta 10i plus 11j. 10i plus 11j. So here resultant x component 10, y component is 11. That's why angle made by resultant with x-axis. Therefore, tan theta equal to y component by x component. Y component beta 11, x component is 10. Theta equal to tan inverse of 11 by 10 with x-axis. Okay, got it. The next is, suppose, listen carefully, a person moves east 5 meter, north 4 meter, then jump 2 meter. Then what is its displacement? Please, students, 5 meter east, due east, 4 meter due north, and 2 meter jump vertically up. Then his displacement is, sir, here So here east, north, east-north perpendicular. East along x-axis, consider x-axis, north y-axis, and jump vertically upward is z-axis. That's why here displacement beta, displacement is equal to S bar equal to 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. This is the displacement vector. Its magnitude root over 5 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. 25 plus 16 plus 4, which is equal to 45 on the root meter. Okay.